The EMT16X really is the world's most versatile and efficient commercial embroidery machine.
From a single head to true modularity, this thing can do everything. But today, we're going to be talking about the new Roland VG3 and some of the things you can do with that.
First thing I want to show you is this awesome Mosaic project Nate did. Nate, tell them how it's done.
So we wanted a big image, something impactful on this wall, something that showcased what the Roland could do. Mostly I am getting pieces for kind of a larger construction of digital prints on canvas, try to highlight what we can do with larger formats. There, I think that's gonna work fairly well. Having a Roland in your shop allows you to do these large format prints, which is another revenue source. You can also do signage with it. You could add to what you offer your customers.
With the TrueViz solvent printers, there's a lot of versatility, a lot of different media you can use. We're using canvas on this job because we're stretching it over canvas frames.
And I want to emphasize how easy it is to lay out multiple jobs in VersaWorks. Nate's job was a cinch to import and run consistently. I decided to print and stretch some of my own art for our boardroom. I had printed on canvas before, but I only put it behind a frame. Nate's idea of stretching printed canvas over existing canvas was a great idea for some large format, big impact prints. I especially like how easy it is to do this application. There is some leeway for imperfections. Really proud of the way it looks. Josh and I hung it and shook hands like Romans.
During the remodel, we found all these kind of cool old Melco images that, a little outdated, cool, we'll keep them for sure. But I'm going to take this opportunity to put some large format, some fine art prints in these. We're going to hang them throughout the office. It's just another example of showing the versatility. So we're stretching canvas, we're doing the fine art stuff. We're just getting creative here. We'll take full advantage of the VG3 540.
I nested these jobs in VersaWorks. Nesting allows you to maximize media space, and conveniently enough, you can set parameters to the nested job as opposed to each individually. I had an idea where instead of spending tons of money on new frames, I bought used frames from the thrift store and sized and printed art to fit. Doesn't Chancho look distinguished in that old wood frame? I printed these on glossy solvent paper. Now I want to lay them out and cut them to size to put in the old Melco frames. A simple flat table works great as a cutting table. I'm using masonite to cut on here, but that would be short-lived. Since this video, I've ordered a cutting mat from Yellow Tools. I actually ordered quite a few cutting supplies from Yellow Tools. I'll put the links down below. To frame these, I pulled out all the backing and laid the new prints in. I put the old Melco photo back in, then I put in the foam core. In my opinion, this repurposed frame business has a lot of potential.
These look beautiful, don't they? So I want to talk a little bit about cost. A roll of 54-inch, 100-foot long media is $145. And by square footage, that's like 4,500 square feet. And if you divide that out by the cost of $145, you're looking at like 3 cents a square foot on this stuff. So your margins are really, really high. What do you think you can charge for fine art prints that look this good? So we've printed on paper, we've printed on canvas. Here we're printing on just sticker vinyl. But this is going to be a big print that we're going to stick to the side of a wall. That's what's so cool about this printer is the versatility. We could make stickers out of this, but this is going to be a big wall cling.
I set the VersaWorks profile for gloss calendar vinyl for this wall cling. There is specific removable wall vinyl, but I use gloss calendar vinyl because I had it. Hey, how about printing wallpaper and selling it? Heck, it is making a comeback.
Well, hopefully that video showed how adding a Roland will give you a little more diversity, help make you a little extra income in your embroidery shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
day.